Keswick School is in a beautiful part of the world, but it's really quite remote when it comes to kind of access to science, access to things like museums and opportunities like visiting universities. Everything involves a long drive. So it's just been fantastic to be able to bring this opportunity to the students.
Basically, our project was investigating microplastics in Cumbrian water sources and trying to take samples of water and then see if we could find microplastic specimens in them.
I think it spreads awareness about our environment and the problems that microplastics create. We had to filter what was in the water out because it air vacuumed in the microscope, so we couldn't directly put the water in.
We at first thought that it would be fine to just use vacuum filtration, but then we decided to try evaporation as well, just to see what would work better. We learnt sort of different things. We learnt how to work as a group a bit more than if we're just doing a science practical in a classroom where you've got a set of instructions and everyone just does different things. Also, we had to decide how to carry out our research a bit more, so it was a lot more sort of intuitive. We had to think about it a lot more.
They have blown me away from start to finish, to be honest, and I think a lot of it has been because it has been their ideas, and so because it's been their ideas, it's felt authentically theirs and their project.
I've really enjoyed having the freedom to independently be looking into stuff and analysing stuff.